See if you can see down in here. This is kind of why I wanted it clear. We've got one poking through here and one poking through there. I think this is the blushing bride. I'm going to be pretty excited if it is. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Monday, May 15th. I know I made a rule that we wanted to plant something every day, but we got a thunderstorm coming and it's going to rain well past dark, so I'm out here to pick something. No, I'm not out here to pick any squash. The ones we planted here just the other day, they're taking off nicely. Now let's go pick some lettuce. Now if you remember, we planted this purple lettuce under the mini greenhouses in December, and we've been eating off of this all winter long. Obviously when I planted it, I had a much longer row. We've taken a couple, the critters took some, the weather took some. But these are getting just about ready to start to bolt, and these are so good, I'm gonna take these in now before they get bitter. At this time of year, you gotta remember to always bring your clippers, because you never know when you're gonna need them. Look at that, ladybugs. Sorry, you go there. Don't need to bring you in the house. Now that is beautiful. I'm gonna leave this little one out here, see if it won't grow a little more. We've been planting like mad, but if you do a little pre-planting, you can continue to harvest all year long. I'm very happy with this lettuce. Now I kind of made a little mistake in the greenhouse. I planted those cabbages a little too close. I think we need to thin those out before it starts to rain too. That'd give us something to eat tonight. So come on, let's go see what we got. Well, I might just let these grow a little longer. I think we got plenty here for dinner tonight. You can do this too. If you want to find out more about the deep mulch, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. If you want to find out about the living soil, click that link and I'll meet you back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.